Hi, my name is Jeff Fretz. Welcome to Axiory's all-new broadcast. Here's the latest high-impact market news for January 8th. U.S. stocks fell yesterday after S&P climbed to a 5-year high, and investors awaited the start of the corporate earnings season today, when Alcoa Incorporated will unofficially start the U.S. earnings reporting season after the market close. Fourth quarter profits at S&P companies grew an average of 2.9% according to data compiled by Bloomberg. The ECB meets this Thursday and will keep its main refinancing rate at a record low of 0.75%, according to the median estimate of 55 economists in Bloomberg News survey. A majority of ECB policymakers were open to cutting the benchmark rate at the bank's meeting in December after revising down economic and inflation projections. Rates were kept on hold because of the negative signals a reduction may send. Data today may show the euro area jobless rate rose to 11.8% in November from 11.7% in October, according to the median estimate of economists in a Bloomberg News poll. That would be the highest since the currency bloc was formed. Here are the major currencies. Up first, the euro. During the past 24 hours, euro rose against the USD in advance of Thursday's European Central Bank decision towards interest rates, and Japan's finance minister's remark that Tokyo will use some of its foreign exchange reserves to purchase bonds issued by the bailout fund, European Stability Mechanism. Meanwhile, the Eurozone Syntax Index increased for the 5th consecutive month and PPI declined. Among a string of economic releases in the Eurozone, investors eagerly await consumer confidence, unemployment rate, and German factory orders. Moving on to the sterling dollar. During the past 24 hours, the pound rose against the USD. Lloyds Bank in the UK stated that employment confidence was unchanged in December and remained as it was from November. Also, the British Chambers of Commerce indicates that business sentiment in the UK has risen markedly during the last quarter of 2012 and assumes a slight growth for early 2013. And finally, the dollar-yen. The USD lost strength against the yen during the last 24 hours. Purchases for automobiles had decreased in December due to a decline in November. And as stated before, Taro Aso, Finance Minister of Japan, says his country will buy bonds issued by the European Stability Mechanism in order to further decrease the yen's strength. Finishing up our broadcast is the Multitrader section. Today's Multitrader strategy is Secure FX, which is one of our average risk strategies. This strategy made a 0.08% profit in the last week, and today we have chosen its percentage of winning trades parameter to give you more insight into the performance characteristics of this strategy. This strategy has won 63% of 126 trades made in the last 3 months with an average win-to-loss ratio of 0.95. All of these strategies with information, performance, and other characteristics you can find on our website. That's all for today. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more in-depth currency news that matters to you, and check us out on Facebook and Twitter. See you tomorrow.